keeping all these signatures. These signatures were specifically for the memorandum of understanding with the government. Therefore, both parties hereby undertake to implement their obligations as per this memorandum of understanding honestly, steadily, and with diligence. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
We have an equitable interest in the land created by our stone the land and the document which was finally signed, the MOU. So that's the basis of our interest, which is equitable, not legal. And all of them are compensatable.
They were advertising, and I made an application to the Uganda Land Commission because I am already in the business of doing residential development. I already have something that I have a passion for. So I made the application sometime, I think, in early January or January 2020.
What are you saying?
Thank you, Chair.
Kristayo ye Trinity obusatu ayo netumuvaako nosanga kampani teina record yonna sente zonna tebangakona sente naye nayo yaweebwa ettaka naye nga investment eri mu bumbi bwa $, netusanga nga ekyapa sikiwulirangako mu Uganda nti ekyapa kitwala lunaku lumu nga baki-issuinze naye tukyanoonyereza era tetwagala kwasanguza bingi, tukyanoonyereza. Buli nannyini kampani ajja kuvaayo amanyikibwe ngeri gye yasaba n'ebigendererwa byabwe, ani yabawa, ate yasinziira ku ki. Naye nga bw'oba nga bwe mulabye ebirumira bingi nnyo, kubanga buli omu ayogera lulwe engeri gye yabitegeeramu. Bali abalambuzi boogera birala, bano boogera birala abaafuna. Abo bagamba nti baali awo nga bawulira emboozi mu tawuni nti waliyo ettaka. Egamba biswaza n'okuswaza.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.